guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 4. We're still moving along throughout this Cookmas season. Today is a sweet treat. I'm going to go ahead and use the classic candy M&Ms for their classic pairing with the chocolate chip cookie. I'm going to make some chewy double chocolate M&M cookies. So they're going to be double chocolate because not only are there going to be the M&M chips in there, there's also going to be some chocolate chips in there. So we're going to have twice the chocolate, and it's going to be a chocolate cookie as well. So maybe even call them triple the chocolate. So if you guys are chocolate lovers and this definitely sounds good to you, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, drop me that comment down below, guys. And share this video out. I totally appreciate that. And we're also on our way to 2K, guys. So thank you so much. Let's keep going. Get this 2K. I appreciate all of your support. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of each and every time I drop a brand new video during this Cookmas season. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here are the finished cookies, the double chocolate M&M cookies, and we said double because it's packed with chocolate chips as well as the plain M&M candies, and that is based upon a delicious chocolate cookie. So this is chocolate on chocolate on chocolate. So for my chocolate lovers, hope you enjoyed this recipe. I certainly did. I definitely recommend you give it a try. If you guys did enjoy the video though, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to drop me that comment down below, guys. Let me know if you enjoyed the recipe. Share this video out. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. Again, we're on our way to 2K, guys. Go ahead. I appreciate all of your support. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every new Cookmas video that drops this season. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.